Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up and use a mobile hotspot on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. On the left-hand side of the Settings window, navigate to the Network and Internet tab. Here, you will find the option for Mobile Hotspot. By turning this on, your computer's internet connection can be shared with other devices. You will also see the details for the network name and password. These are the credentials that others will use to connect to your hotspot. You have the flexibility to change the password to anything you prefer. Alternatively, you can provide the network name and password for someone to manually connect, or they can scan the provided QR code to connect. When you are finished sharing your connection, you can easily switch the mobile hotspot off. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.